Pakistan currently has about 450 pharmaceutical companies. We work with about 350 of them. Out of the top 30 pharmaceutical companies in Pakistan, which control about 80% of the market share of the pharma industry, we work with 28 of them. We have 3 manufacturing facilities, as I mentioned. There's a Penicillin plant where we make 4 APIs, amoxicillin, ampicillin, cloxacillin and flucloxacillin. Then there's a sterile facility where we make ceftriaxone and cephridine L-arginine. And then there's a Cephalosporin facility where we make 5 or 6 other products which are used in brands like Cefspan or Caricef or Cefiget. And the product names are Cefixim, Cefadroxil, Ceflexin, Cephridine and Cefaclor. The third facility that we have is a multipurpose facility where we make paracetamol, which is used in Panadol, as well as ciprofloxacin, which is used in Novida. Pharma Asia, the main value that it adds to us is that it brings the entire pharma industry under one roof. So it's great for us to kind of get a platform in which over a 3-day period we can meet with all of them. And we have typically seen that if there are about 450 companies, at least 50% of them do definitely visit this exhibition. Then you've got suppliers who come from different countries. You've got Chinese manufacturers, there's machinery, there's equipment. Then you've got a lot of indenters as well who sell different solvents, chemicals. So these sort of exhibitions are very useful because it allows us to meet our customers and to meet a lot of the different suppliers that are out there. And finally to see, because there are some stalls from different manufacturers or suppliers which we would normally not have known about. So it gives us a chance to actually see what all is available or what all is happening all over the world. We've been exhibiting on this exhibition for at least the last 5 years. Pharma Asia has a couple of competitors as well. But what we found that the Pharma Asia team is extremely professional. We enjoy dealing with them as well. Like if they make a commitment, they make sure that they'll absolutely follow it. Then the other thing is that for them, obviously, the commercial benefit is there, but they go above and beyond to sort of cater to their clients' different needs. I mean, every time there's an exhibition, you know, there's a rush to get all the good spots to kind of put your material there. So they're very helpful in that as well. Like they'll convey their point, but if they can support you or help you in a particular cause, they'll go out of their way.